Yan, ayan, ayan, ayan. See? Hindi pa ako nag-curl lash niyan, ha? It looks good. Para talagang nag-falsies. And I don't really get the point nganong dautan ko ninyo sa laintaw. Nganong dautan ang inyong members sa laintaw. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. I'll be featuring the latest product from the Maybelline makeup line, and it is the Maybelline New York Maybelline New York, the Falsies Lash Lift. So from Maybelline New York. So I'll try to check if mura ba dyan siya Falsies, ang Falsies Lash Lift. So, titingnan po natin. Charing! Tagalog! If para talaga siyang Falsies. So, I'll try to speak Tagalog as well. If magagampanan ko till the end of the vlog. So, I'll try to speak Taglish with pakapin BISAYA if pwede. So, please expect code switching from me till the end of this vlog. So I'll be making up. I'll try to have a full makeup while talking about fake friends. Alright, so let's start with the BB cream. Okay, so as you all know, I use Careline Nude and I barely use brush. So I'll try to use brush tonight para naman kanang mahatagan tong justice si Maybelline New York. Alright, so I usually put this amount on my face, but if makwangan pun ana to, diba? So nalimta na to ang Tagalog, guys. So alright, so I usually put it on my forehead first, but others prefer to put it on their cheeks first. It doesn't really matter. Because the goal is to cover your whole face with a BB cream anyway. So, muna siya. So, you might see that I'm a bit harsh in applying BB cream. Pareha na siya sa realidad, guys. Naagad tayong mga friends na harsh. Some we take seriously, even though harsh sila, but they know how to apologize, and then that's good. If they know how to apologize, even if harsh sila sa laing tao. But there are also people who treat you so good, so nicely, but at your back, they have been backstabbing you. So they have been killing your image, of course, without you knowing. Just like how this BB cream is killing my face right now, diba? Kampat siya, kidli siya tinuod, guys. Wa pa siya matarong og patag. So, yan na po das kinabuhi, guys. Kailangan patas ta, guys. Atong patason ang atong BB cream. Sama sa pagpatas nato sa pagtanaw sa mga tao. So, pasensya kayo if naghugot ko ron. I've been experiencing a lot of stress recently, brought by one of the friends that I considered very true, but were not. So, sagdi lang, justice has been served anyway. So, the truth came out. Even if it hurts, it still came out. Ay, nako! So, anyway, lagyan po natin BB cream ang ating lieg. Diyos ko, Lord. So, if you're a returning subscriber, you know for a fact I never spoke Tagalog in my previous vlogs. Ika nga, gahi kog dila, matigas yung dila ko. I'd rather speak English fluently, sometimes, fluently, rather than commit mistakes using Tagalog, because we know that a lot of perfectionists are out there ready to bash us with how we speak Tagalog, even if we are all Filipinos, by the way. Okay, dagan na kog yaw-yaw, no? So, pasensya ko karon guys. I just want to express myself while putting makeup on. So, that is BB cream. First step pa lang to. Next, during quarantine, it has been like 4 to 5 months na wala ko butang aning Nichido eyebrow powder. It's a duo kit. Karaan na ni siya. Actually, I have a new one. I did not open it because sayangan ko na pa mong nabilin, guys. Tilok. Sama sa kinabuhi, tilok ko na to tanang angay matilok para way mausik. Sama sa mga friends na maskin karaan na kayo sila but nagpabiling matinud-anon. Nagya po na sila silbi, guys. So, sama aning makeup, daginuton gyud nato siya kay nindot siya og quality. Ingana po na ang friends nato, guys. Kung kinsa tong maayo og kalidad, mo'y pirmi nato gamiton ug mao po nay mulas. Dili dayon siya mawa, guys. Ingana na mga tinuod na friends, guys. Di na sama sa ubang fake friends diha na bati og kalidad, ilisdan dayon. Okay, char lang. Anyway, padayon ta. So, ato ni i-dip. I usually dip it in both brown and black. I hope I still remember how to place this on my eyebrow. So, mangita taglaing sa amin. So, if you hear background noise, pasensya because I'm at home. Of course, you expect children to be noisy because you can't control them. So, padayon ta. Okay. So, mo to siya, guys. I've been through a lot of stress. And same aning kilay na to, kailangan na to i-cover up ang atong mga pagkukulang, ang atong mga kasaypanan, ug sama aning eyebrow makeup. Napoy mga tao na nag-cover sa ilang mga tinuod na personality. So, if naigo mo ani na vlog, so pasensya na kayo. I'm just telling the truth na what you did by covering up other people's mistakes, you also showed everyone how fake you are. Of course, when you cover things, you're not true, hence you are fake. My gosh. Okay, sorry if matabunan ang kamera kay gitarong nako akong kilay sama sa akong pagtarong sa akong kinabuhi karon. I've been avoiding mga fake and toxic people, and sama aning paghapsay nato sa tong kilay, hapsayon pod nato ang pagpili kung kinsa ato ipabilin sa atong kinabuhi, guys. So kung inyong tarungon ang inyong kilay sama sa inyong pagtarong sa inyong kinabuhi, matarong ra gyud ang life, guys. See? Natarong na siya, guys. Oh my gosh, I still have it. So, I'm still thankful of the microblading done by Ipoda Brows before quarantine. So, 1 week before quarantine, nagapa Ipoda Brows pagitaon ko. So, salamat kayo Ipoda Brows for the sponsor. So, muna siya, guys. Ato nang natarong ang atong kinabuhi sama sa pagtarong nato sa atong pagkilay. So, next step is the eyeshadow, right? So I'll be using BT21 Vice eyeshadow palette. It's the BT21 Universe, and it is smooth, pigmented, and blendable, right? So there are how many shades? There are 12 shades. Sama sa admin sa BYC, 12 ka buok ang nagpabiling matuod. Char! Bahala mo diha. Okay. So, gamito na to ang atong mga mga brush na napalit sa Shopee o Lazada, no, na baratohon. Kay bawa mo guys, baratohon na yun ako mga pamaliton. Because there are things which are cheap but with good quality. Sama sa friends na maskin di ninyo gastuan, matinud-anon gihapon. Anyway, so I feel like using glittery eyeshadows tonight, so good luck. I'll try to use this one. So I'll try to use this. I really like this shade. It's Lash Korean Effect. I hope maulark siya. Ampuan na nato guys. Sama sa pag-ampo nato sa atong kinabuhi na matarong na maklaro po niya itong eyeshadow. Woo! Hilak mata ni guys. I'm using the shade Set. Set iyangon guys, nasluyo. Set. It looks like coral siya. Coral o color. Padayon ta. So muna guys, after me nag-open forum sa mga admins, nanggawas na gyud ang mga tinuod. Although I'm really happy because someone opened up and told me the story, because there were folks who created another group chat simply to stab other people. And I think it was really an immature gesture. So, Diyos ko. Maupo to yung style. Anyway, what tayo mabuhat, ana. So, guys, I'm not really a professional makeup artist. Mugna ra ni ako. Alright. Okay. So, when you're done with the coral shade eyeshadow, next is the eyeliner. Kay nung dumong indaisog mo na yung gigamit na tattoo. This is the Careline Graph Ink Liner. It comes in black color. Ang brown, wa ko ni palit ato. But I hope mugana gyapon ni siya, guys. Sama sa pag-asa na mugana gihapon ang friendship maskin na daghan kaayog ni gamit nimo, nasayop nimo. So tanaw na to if mugana ni siya. I need a mirror, my gosh. Ay, gana pa siya gamay. Oh my gosh. I need to do like this. So, what I'm doing is I'm stretching my eyelid para klaro nato ang atong angay suwatan. Sama sa pag-open forum na imong inaton ang mga ebidensya nagihatag sa imuha. Sama sa pasensya na imusang angay taasan kay di gyud kalikayan na agi mga taong traitor. So padayon ta nahog ang sa amin, guys. Oh my gosh, mahugid siya, guys. Sama sa pagkahulog sa ako ang kaugalingon sa ilang trap. Charing. So inato na pod nato para makita nato ang kamatuoran. Nawa na kong Tagalog, guys. So pasensya na po kung nakakalimutan ko ng mag-Tagalog kasi I don't speak Tagalog here at home. So di po siya nakasanayan dito sa bahay. So don't expect me to remember to keep on speaking Tagalog because I'm not used to it. The moment of silence. Alright. Giahak na. See? Kita ka na? Sama na sa sayop ninyong gibuhat. It will leave a mark. And it will take time for me to erase that. It will take time for people to forget na naay sayop. Na sayop ko linya. So, it's either you adjust and make it fair sa pikas, or you leave it as is para klaro sa tanan. But I'd rather make it fair. And let karma do its thing. So, muna siya, guys. Muna ang eyeliner. It defines your eyes. It also defines your personality. Sama sa eyeliner na ni-define sa akong mata, iyang pagka-Asian. Kung unsa inyong gipakita sa katawhan, mao po na mag-define kung unsa jud mo. So please be careful what you do sa inyong isig kataw, because it will reflect how you are and how you behave in the community. So, lagyo na kay kog lagpot ani akong istorya, guys. So, atong padayunon. So, without further ado, I'll be trying out this Falsies Lash Lift from Maybelline. I already tried this a while ago and nagmark siya after I took a bath. So, it's mura kog nag-raccoon eyes. Anyway, mirror. Ato siyang sulayan, guys. Alright. Ooh. Wala ko naka-curl sa akong lash. But it still looks good, actually. So, see? Maski nag-mascara na ko, maklaro gyapon akong sayop. Ingana na, guys. Even if you try to cover your faults, ma-highlight yun na yung faults, labi na if lisod siya, ma-cover. Daghan ang biktima. Daghan na kay bawas sa inyong sayop. Okay, so what do I think about the Falsies Lash Lift? It's somehow the same with the mascara I use. It makes my lashes look longer, thicker. Yeah, and you need to be careful because bugdo-bugdo siya. So, judgment is, I like it. So, it's waterproof. So, you don't need to worry if you're going to cry. You're going to cry. Imong hilakan ang mga nahitabo sa imong kinabuhi. So, ayaw gaguol if muhilak mo because Falsies Lash Lift is waterproof. And so, if you have plans to cry during your wedding, I think this is going to be a good mascara. So, I'm going to try it sa akong ubosad na pillows. My verdict for the Falsies Lash Lift waterproof mascara, it's going to be rated 8/10 because I like the effect. I'm not sure if you can see it. Ayan. See? Hindi pa ako nag-curl lash niyan, ha? It looks good. Para talagang nag-falsies. Even though I have not really experienced wearing falsies and hindi nagfo-focus yung camera ko. Right. If you can see, there. It looks good, isn't it? So that's how Falsies Lash Lift Hydrofuge from Maybelline New York looks side view. Wala pa ko nag curl lash ana. Anyway, let's proceed. We're almost done. Next is the blush on. So what I usually do for blush on is I use the stick, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna be using another one. I have this Careline Multipot. The color is Magic Spell. The variant is Magic Spell. Okay, so I'm gonna try this for my... Nabaga na ko siya. Sama sa kabaga silang now. Okay. So, ato lang ni patason. Alright. See? Sama sa pagkabaga sa ako ang blush on. Ing anak kabaga ilang now. Kinabuhat to nila, guys. Cause baga sila lips. I don't really know what my fault is. Maybe because they wanted the position as well. It's not my fault. I founded the group. Nya, gingnan pa ko nilag hawd, hilas for acting like a founder in my own group. Well, I did not create the group chat, but that was still my group. You were carrying the BYC name, right? So I have all the rights to get mad if someone wishes to take over the group without my permission. So mo na siya, guys. Sama sa kabaga silang naong, angay po natong bagaan atong blush on. We need to defend what is ours. And we need to include our nose para gwapa gihapon. Right, so that's the Careline Multipot. And then we will also use the Careline, nabuak na lagi na siya. Kaluoy ani. Careline Strobe Stick. And it's, yeah, no specific color, it's just a strobe stick. So you can apply it directly as highlighter. Muna siya, guys. Mura chugog asa pa dong, no? You need to also put it here para tas tanaw ninyong ilong here and also here and here. Diba? Okay. So pasinaw na siya, guys, to emphasize imong mga assets. Sama sa mga asset na to na wish nilang tabunan, eh, ganahan sila ang bati mo'y makitaan. Well, sad to say, naunay sila sa karma, naunay sila sa ilang gipang buhat. So we proceed to the lipstick. So we have this Sunnies face na Obsessed. Okay, after I used this, so this was given to me during the Cetaphil event. Thank you so much, Sunnies face. And I was really happy because my friends, my office mates also bought this because they really love the color. So I'm gonna be using this now as well. I hope this was the new one. I actually have two because the giveaway that they had, murag nahurot na. So I think, I can't determine. I think this is the new one. So muna siya. So we need to be loyal to quality products. It's same as being loyal to people who provide you good service, who provide you good friendship, who provide you good everything. So be loyal, guys, even if others cannot be loyal. siya og effect. When you use products that are quality, even if 350 ni siya, it actually lasts for months. So it's long lasting. It's like friendship, guys. It's like choosing the right people. It will last because you know it's quality. Humot pag yun siya. Humot siya. And even if 350 siya, it's not similar with the ones that I usually bought for 100 plus. It's 350, but dili kamahayan ang kalidad, di kamahayan ang color, because you're going to use it anyway. It makes you look presentable and it prettifies you. So ngano tiktikan man nimo, imuha man lang naong, right? So muna siya, guys. It's choosing quality over quantity, right? It's similar in life. You choose people who are with good quality so that they will last. It's like choosing the admins that I have right now in BYC. They are loyal. They are very good servants to the members. Not really servants, nagi alipin sila, gisugo-sugo sila, but they serve. Even if it's just volunteer work, I'm not paying them. But with the help that they give to BYC, they're also gaining trust and help from the members. And that's what a team is. You don't expect people to respect you after showing disrespect to them, after backbiting them, after stepping on them. You don't expect people to stay as loyal, right? No, you don't. You need to know how to act. You need to know how to behave in a team. Dili kay mag-amo-amo mo. I may be the founder, but I'm doing my part. I've been juggling tasks, creating projects for the team. So I've been creating tasks, creating activities without anyone's help before. And muna, how ko hilas ko? Why? Because I acted as a founder in the GC. And I don't really get the point. Nganong dautan ko ninyo sa laing tao. Nganong dautan ng inyong members sa laing tao. You talk to people, you chat people, and tell someone about someone's faults. I don't really get it. I don't know the main goal. I don't know your goal. Imong objective sa pag-chat og isa ka tao para dautan ang laing tao. Muna siya, guys. So, pasagdi na lang ng ubang tao diha. Continue to do what you're doing and what you're passionate about. Okay? Focus on the help that you are giving the people and don't focus on being bossy. I'm not bossy. I'm just doing my part as a founder and admin. Okay? So, pasensya na lang if naigo mo ni na vlog. But I think it's about time for you to man up. You know your age. Behave your age. Dili kay mandaot, hutdo na lang na ninyo pandaot ng tao diha. Paghimo pa mong GC para manglibak. Hindot sa na inyong gold. So guys, if you've been wondering about my posts, now you know why I'm talking about this, but I'm not blurting out names. It's up to you to discover who I'm talking about. Pero mauna siya, guys, ang akong mga ligot-got sa kinabuhi these past few days, and I have been depressed because I trusted people who I thought were trustworthy. And I hope one day I'd be able to forgive them. Of course, I will forgive them. But I can never forget what they did. So God bless us all. Continue to create good content for everyone. Continue to be a good example. And God bless you all. Don't forget to leave a like, leave questions, subscribe to my channel, and tap on the notification bell. Thank you so much and have a great day, lovies. Bye!